I'm going to teach you guys today the ultimate swinger tutorial. Let's go. There we go. Step number one, and I find this is the hardest part, is actually just tracking the ball down as you're running towards the baseline and judging the distance between you and the ball. So that's the hardest part for me, because if you were too far away, you're going to have to run really quick at the ball and it's all going to mess up your timing. Similarly, if you're too close to the ball, then you're just going to be in the way and you need a little bit of space to swing properly. So practice just hitting the ball over your head maybe, or get your friend to just hit the ball over your head, track it down to the baseline, and if you can catch the ball, or you just give it a go hitting, but as long as you feel like you've got enough space where you can swing properly and not get too close basically. So that's step number one. Let's move on to step number two. Step number two is going to be getting the right grip. So if you can see here, I'm going to use a continental chopper grip. So that's right down the frame with this webbing in my hand. Okay, and that's going to allow my wrist to move freely and have a lot of movement, just like you would on your serve. If you're holding it here, your wrist will lock up and you will not be able to get through your legs. You do need to use this to make sure you have enough mobility and movement to time the ball as you swing under it. And step number three, there is a certain kind of movement that I like to throw into a tweener. So I end up doing a little step with my right and then left leg. So I'm going to move up to the ball. As soon as I'm letting the ball drop, I'm going to place my right leg forwards and then my left, and I'm going to have a slight hip rotation as I hit through the ball. As you can see, I'll do this a couple times for you, but what I'm going to do is step right, then left, and twist my hips through the shot. And the final step is just to go out there, have fun, and give it a go as many tries as you need. I think going into the shot, if you have no idea what you're doing, it probably won't go well. So you do need to have some confidence behind you, and confidence comes through repetitions and practice. So go out there, have fun. Let me know if you can, guys, do it. And just let me know in the comments, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. And we'll see you guys soon.